Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2019 Chevy Cruze LT. Stock number X1292X. 28,000 miles on this Cruze comes to us with a clean auto check Historybr report, silver ice metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and a 6-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000 mile bumper to bumper. Seats 5, cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. It's a very safe vehicle. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors. All helping to give it a 5-star front and side government crash rating. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system, full radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Automatic temperature control along with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect media devices. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 153 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 28 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 38 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.